The true processing process of a bamboo shoot factory. This bamboo shoot processing factory is designed and built with raw materials supplied directly from local planting bases. The spring bamboo shoots dug in the spring are even more delicious. The workers who dig bamboo shoots use their experience to find the ones hidden in the soil that haven't yet emerged. These shoots, still buried, are more tender and have less bitterness. The fresh bamboo shoots, dug from the planting base, are placed onto a conveyor belt by the workers. The bamboo shoots, covered in dirt, are sequentially placed into the cleaning machine. The rotating rollers cause the bamboo shoots to rub against each other, removing dirt and surface fuzz. They are then manually inspected for any remaining dirt, and those that are not clean are selected out. The qualified bamboo shoots are placed into a large metal basket, which is lifted by a crane into the steaming machine. The shoots are cooked by high temperature to kill the green. This step is also key in removing bitterness and astringency from the bamboo shoots. After cooking, the bamboo shoots are stacked together, then transported via a long conveyor belt to our peeling workshop. A spiral roller is cleverly used to quickly remove the outer shells. The peeled bamboo shoots are then further processed, with workers removing the outer skin and the older parts at the bottom. The tender bamboo hearts are directly packaged, while the outer skin is shredded and packaged separately for direct sale.